15-minute closure, okay, which is done with this candle. It's going to close at 11:30 when this first 5-minute candle, which is from 11, it's from 11:15 to 11:30. Here's 11:15, 11:20, 11:25, and then you got one more for 11:30. So the first 5 minutes of that fractal, that 15-minute fractal from 11:15 to 11:30, is showing you right here. Zoink, closing below. That's bearish order flow. Mind you, we're coming off of everything else that's already happened, and we have liquidity in mind. That's when you want to get in short. So I was expecting that, and then I got the closure how I wanted. Mind you, my trade's up here, okay? When they closed how I wanted, what did that create? A 15-minute bearish order block. Now, wouldn't it be safe to assume this order block can send us down to the daily low? Yes, so you have a target in mind. You notice what's already happened, okay? We have a clear objective in mind, and the market is still giving us bearish arrays. That's order flow, okay? That's bearish order flow to me. And that means that they are desired to go somewhere. They desire to go to the daily low because they're physically showing us with these PD arrays. And then you can see, so that just gave me extra confidence for the trade I was already in up here. Yeah, I could have took a brand new trade here, but I didn't have to. Mind you, I took partials like here. I mean, it looked like this, I was taking partials. But this just goes to show you, you don't always necessarily need, optimal entry, best entry. As long as you have a target on the table and it looks like the market's wanting to draw to that target, you can arrive at a late entry, but still justify it with PD arrays. When it comes to the EOBs that look like this, where they don't fully close below the wick, you guys know more times than not, I like to highlight it from the order block open to wherever the bearish candle closed. That's the zone I usually highlight and expect sensitivity. And then you can see straight to the low and you're done. Okay. We'll let it do it one more time and then I'll go delete some shit on my computer and see if that helps, because we don't want that going in and out during the entire session. Right? Right. You can look here on the 5-minute. This is where the 15-minute EOB entry was, but here's the 5-minute sell side imbalance. We trade up into it. So we're bearish fair value gap, go lower. Honestly, the desperate me would even take something like this. If I missed everything, if I missed all 5 of the trade opportunities last Friday. I am recording, Dre. Yep. Thanks for the reminder. So let's say I missed everything last Friday, everything, and I'm desperate for a trade before I start my weekend. EOB body high, and then look to target that daily low wherever it was. Yeah, North Carolina? Yeah. So there's the review for last Friday. Pretty decent review. Pretty decent price action, to say the least. Now here we are, Monday. First thing that jumps off to me for Monday, yeah, I'm not too sure. I would like to see them go higher like I wanted on Friday, right? But we didn't do it on Friday. Started to look like it, but then they wanted to come back down, which I also even spoke on, because if Friday closes real bearish, what can Monday do? It can close bullish engulfing or just trade through it, right? Yeah, some sort of pullback for 9:30 open. All in all, for Monday. I don't want to rush things like I haven't been doing for the past couple of weeks on Mondays. I kind of chill out, right? But all in all, all in all, want to see, the possibility of higher prices. Those the free users are being sneaky. Look at that. They're not talking. They're being sneaky because they know they're not supposed to be in here. That's fun. That cracks me up. I didn't even realize it. I forgot to switch it back. Well, Here's y'all's free session of the week. Go ahead and get it out the way. They was being quiet. They was like, "Oh shit, not supposed to be in here." I might as well. Alan, I saw your question, man. As you know, I forgot to record the last handful of sessions, man. And I hope you can forgive me. A bunch of them weren't even really record worthy because we had a couple of rough sessions that just, I know a loss can be learned from, right? But there was some like, I wouldn't want no one to waste 2 hours of their time watching, is what I mean to say. But yes, I'm recording this. We're gonna upload them all no matter what from moving forward. I was doing real good at that, but then last week I kind of fell off for that. But let me go here and let these people know. Yep, Alan. Yep, yep, yep. So we're gonna watch the market open today for a possible bullish continuation to get up above, what was it, Friday's high. Again, I hate new week opening gaps. I wish they weren't even a true thing. The gaps like that, I just hate them. They add too much confusion. I can't stand them, especially when we're ranging. I mean, you can look every gap, every new week opening gap. Yep, Friday to a Tuesday, Friday, that's a Thursday to a Friday. Whoa, with the big old gap. With just all the big old gaps. No, Cena, I have been doing the free live streams later in the week. I didn't mean to do it today, but it's already been done, so I'm not going to undo it. And I'll let you guys listen to the recording because we just had a whole breakdown of last Friday's price action, which was super well. But we did the live stream last Friday, so you guys know what happened. And then I posted my IG video, which was a trade I took after the stream. Ironically, I would have took it on stream, but we left the stream. We quit streaming. The session was over. Then things started to show up. Sometimes it'd be like that. But we were calling out some cool levels last Friday also. The most impressive level was that CISD 5-minute EOB. Yeah, I'm turning off the screen. Hold on. I'm gonna go delete some crap on my PC. Let me pause the recording.
Recording stopped.
It may be because of I don't want to delete anything though. That's the thing.